So, traders, looking forward into our midweek outlook, I'm just going to share to you guys how the markets have reacted from the past few days based on a weekly trading outlook that we shared and what we might look to experience moving forward to the coming 3 days that it's left with this Wednesday up and until Friday. But before we get ahead on the video, like on the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and click that link to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. And for the most part of it, always be mindful that CLT Academy has opened up its 3-day mentorship course. Link down below, click that link, inquire, sign up, and join the CLT Academy, and let us come to you for 3 days and give you all the gems and all the knowledge that you need so you can be a great trader in 2026, moving forward up and until your whole life. But without further ado, let's just get to it and share to you guys how the markets have reacted and what we might look forward into experiencing. And the first things first, you guys remember that on Nasdaq we did live in an anticipation that from every push phase that price prints out, there has to be an exhaustion phase before we can anticipate a possible continuation push phase. So it's here that you can clearly tell that from the previous from our weekly outlook, we didn't anticipate that obviously from where price is, can we at least have a pullback or an exhaustion phase or a higher low formation before you can possibly look forward for those possible new all-time highs. So as you can clearly see that the markets have already reacted and gave us a higher low, but now current price hasn't broke above our previous higher high to anticipate those possible new all-time highs. And like I always share to you guys that obviously from every push and exhaustion phase and a continuation push that doesn't break that higher high, we might anticipate a possible reversal, but only if price will push and break our previous low and trade below the previous low. That will give us a confirmed double top pattern that we're going to be looking for, and we might see price moving to the downside. But at the same time, we still are anticipating a possible push to the upside because price gave us a higher high and price hasn't gave us enough momentum or confluence that we're looking for to anticipate what that possible reversal to the downside. But without further ado, I'm gonna keep it the way I keep it on Nasdaq. We're simply waiting for 2 takes. Is price gonna print out a double top pattern to look for the reversal to the downside, or is price gonna break above our higher high to give us those possible new all-time highs? And that's what we're gonna be focusing on. But without further ado, second pair is gonna be gold. And on gold, I'm also shared to you guys that obviously from where price is currently trading, price gave us a possible double top, and we did share that obviously from a possible double top, all we're going to be focusing on is to see price breaking below our lows to look forward for those new lows. But you can clearly tell that price broke and broke above, and all I can now say to you guys is you can clearly see that price is holding some type of intraday triple top, right? But I can just say it's a resistance for now, right? So gold, I wouldn't share any insight moving forward to the rest of the week because what you anticipated played out, but it didn't have enough momentum. And looking at our current price based on how we trade, there's no take for us on gold. So without further ado, we're just gonna leave it the way it is and focus on the last pair, which is Usdcad. And USDCAD, we spoke that obviously USDCAD, we're anticipating a possible reversal to the upside of the dollar strength, but only if price is gonna break above this intraday highs. And you can clearly tell that where price ended the week on our weekly outlook, price was still trading right there, and we did share that obviously we're looking forward break above to continue bullish or fall to break to be bearish. And as you can clearly see, price did try and give us a break, but didn't hold enough momentum to push to the upside, but broke below. So from breaking below, all I can now say to you guys on USDCAD, it's just 2 takes. With a momentum candlestick below this very same zone, we might look for those moves to the downside, but with a break above and a trade above this highs, then I guess we might look for that move to the upside and let it be the way it is as we anticipated the way it is. You guys get that? So USDCAD, if price is going to give us bear momentum below that zone, I guess we're going to look for those moves to the downside. But if it stays above and breaks above with bullish momentum, then I guess we'll look for those moves to continue or to reverse to the upside, and that's all we're going to be focusing on. But without further ado, I hope I educated you, I hope I added value, and I hope you get something from this video, as I urge to always make sure that I change someone's life and I better someone's trading. But without further ado, before we end the video, like on the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, click that link to sign up with the broker that I trade with, and for the most part of it, our mentorship courses are open for bookings and inquiry. Link in bio. See you guys on the next educational video.